This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
So Europe just dropped 17 million euros to build what is basically a quote-unquote mega gym for robots. And no, they aren't hitting the treadmills. We're talking about the TUM Robo Gym in Munich. It's a massive 2,300 square meter facility where hundreds of robots, including those sleek 4-in-1 humanoids you've probably seen blowing up on TikTok, are literally learning how to move like us. But here's the thing. Why do robots even need a gym? Think about ChatGPT. It's brilliant because it read the entire internet, but a robot can't just read how to fold a shirt or swap a car battery. It has to actually feel the weight, the friction, and the messiness of the real world. In the industry, we call this the sim-to-real gap. It's the reason why a robot can look like a genius in a computer simulation, but turn into a clumsy toddler the second it touches a physical object. That's what makes this place so wild. NEURA Robotics and the Technical University of Munich aren't just building machines, they're farming data. They have human trainers working side by side with these bots, teaching them precision tasks. Every stumble, every successful grab, and every micro-adjustment is recorded and fed into something called the Neuraverse. It's basically a massive cloud-based brain. Once one robot in Munich learns how to perfectly assemble a circuit board, that knowledge can be instantly uploaded and shared with a robot on the other side of the planet. We're watching the birth of a global operating system for physical labor. And there's a bigger picture here. For a long time, it felt like the US and China were the only ones in the AI race. But with this 17 million euro investment, Europe is making a massive power move. They aren't just trying to keep up, they're trying to own the physical AI space. They want the foundation models that run the world's future factories and homes to be built right there in Bavaria. By mid-2026, this place is going to be fully swarming with hundreds of autonomous systems. It's the ultimate bridge between cool tech demo and this is actually changing how things are made. If you want to stay ahead of how these humanoids are actually going to enter our daily lives, you need to be following this. Hit that subscribe button and join the AIX community. We're tracking every breakthrough as it happens. What do you think? Would you trust a robot trained in a robo gym to help out around your house? Let me know in the comment.